Ever wondered how you can naturally support your kidney health and detoxification? Well, consider this. Your kidneys are tireless workers, dedicated to filtering waste and toxins from your bloodstream. Every single day, these bean-shaped organs clean around 200 quarts of blood, sifting out about 2 quarts of waste products and extra water. That's a lot of filtering. But, like any high-performance machine, kidneys need regular maintenance to keep them running smoothly. That's where natural remedies come into play. From the wisdom of ancient cultures to modern scientific studies, herbs have been recognized for their potential to support kidney health and aid in detoxification. They can provide a gentle, natural way to enhance your body's own detoxification processes, promoting overall kidney health. And the best part? Many of these herbs are probably already in your kitchen pantry. Now let's delve into the top 5 herbs that naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys. Starting off our list is parsley, a common herb with uncommon benefits. This humble green plant, often relegated to the role of a simple garnish, is a powerhouse of health benefits, particularly for our kidneys. So what makes parsley so beneficial for our kidneys? Well, for starters, parsley is a natural diuretic. This means it helps your body produce more urine, and as a result, helps your kidneys flush out toxins and excessive salts. It's like giving your kidneys a refreshing cleanse, helping them function more efficiently and effectively. But that's not all. Parsley is also packed with antioxidants. These are compounds that help protect your cells against damage from harmful molecules known as free radicals. And when it comes to kidney health, antioxidants are a real game changer. They help guard your kidneys against damage, keeping them healthy and functioning at their best. Parsley is particularly rich in a type of antioxidant known as flavonoids. These powerful compounds have been shown to support kidney health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major contributors to kidney disease. In addition to its diuretic properties and antioxidant content, parsley is also a great source of vital nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. These nutrients not only support overall health, but specifically aid in the proper functioning of the kidneys. For example, vitamin C is known to help prevent the formation of kidney stones, a common and painful kidney ailment. So the next time you see a sprig of parsley on your plate, remember it's not just there for decoration. It's a powerful herb that can help support the health and function of your kidneys. You can incorporate parsley into your diet in a variety of ways. Use it fresh in salads or as a garnish on soups and stews. You can also steep it to make a refreshing tea. Regardless of how you choose to consume it, adding parsley to your diet can certainly contribute to better kidney health. Indeed, parsley isn't just a garnish on your plate, it's a boon for your kidneys. Next up is stinging nettle, a prickly herb with amazing healing powers. Stinging nettle might not be the first plant that springs to mind when you think of kidney health, but this spiky green herb is a hidden gem in the world of natural remedies. Don't let its prickly exterior fool you. Beneath the surface, stinging nettle is packed with potent compounds that can do wonders for your kidneys. One of the key ways stinging nettle promotes kidney health is by reducing inflammation. It's powered by a host of anti-inflammatory compounds that work together to soothe your kidneys, helping them function at their best. Inflammation can often be the root cause of many kidney-related issues, but with stinging nettle in your corner, you're well equipped to keep inflammation at bay. But stinging nettle doesn't stop there. It also plays a crucial role in aiding the removal of waste products from your body. Our kidneys are responsible for filtering out waste and toxins, and sometimes they could use a helping hand. This is where stinging nettle steps in, acting as a natural diuretic to help your kidneys flush out waste more effectively. Now let's talk about kidney stones and infections. 2 things we'd all like to avoid. Stinging nettle has been recognized for its ability to prevent these painful conditions. Its diuretic properties increase urine flow, helping to flush out any potential stone-forming minerals before they have a chance to crystallize. At the same time, it can help fend off urinary tract infections which, if left unchecked, can ascend to the kidneys, causing serious damage. Stinging nettle truly is a powerhouse herb. It's not just about the stinging sensation it gives when you touch it, it's about the healing and protective qualities it brings to your kidneys' health. So, the next time you spot this prickly plant, remember, it's more than just a weed. It's a natural ally in your journey towards better kidney health. With stinging nettle, a little prickly encounter can lead to a lot of health benefits. Moving on to dandelion roots, a so-called weed with wonderful effects. Now, if you've ever spent a sunny afternoon pulling these bright yellow intruders from your lawn, you might be surprised to hear that the humble dandelion is anything but a nuisance. In fact, it's been celebrated for centuries for its remarkable health benefits, particularly when it comes to kidney health. Dandelion roots are an incredibly effective diuretic. This means they help promote urination, which is the body's natural way of eliminating toxins and excess salts. And when it comes to kidney health, the more we can encourage this process, the better. Regular consumption of dandelion roots can help flush out those pesky kidney stones, and even prevent their formation in the first place. Imagine that, a weed that can help keep your kidneys stone-free. But the benefits of dandelion roots don't stop there. They also play a crucial role in maintaining the right balance of electrolytes in your body. Electrolytes, such as potassium and sodium, are essential for a range of bodily functions, including maintaining fluid balance, nerve signaling, and muscle contractions. But too much of these can put a strain on your kidneys. Dandelion roots, with their natural potassium content, help maintain this delicate balance, thus reducing the load on your kidneys. Moreover, dandelion roots contain substances that may help dissolve kidney stones and clear up urinary tract infections. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can also help soothe and heal the urinary tract, making it an excellent addition to your kidney health regimen. So, the next time you see a dandelion poking its head up in your yard, remember, it's not just a weed, it's a superfood for your kidneys. Incorporating dandelion roots into your diet can be as simple as brewing them into a tea or adding them to your favorite smoothie. And remember, it's not about battling with nature, but rather embracing its gifts for our health and well-being. Dandelion roots, the weed that nourishes your kidneys. Coming up next is ginger, the fiery herb with cooling benefits. This vibrant, zesty root, often associated with culinary delights, is a potent ally for your kidneys. Ginger is a master at facilitating the flushing out of toxins, acting as a natural cleansing agent. It's like having your very own kidney janitor, diligently sweeping away unwanted waste and impurities. Imagine your body as a bustling city, and toxins as the litter, clogging up the streets. Ginger, in its role as the city's cleanup crew, ensures these streets remain clean and unobstructed, promoting smoother traffic flow, or in our case, healthier kidney function. But that's not all. Ginger is also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. It's like a peacekeeper in the bustling city of your body, calming any unrest and preventing inflammation. This is crucial because inflammation can lead to kidney infections, which we certainly want to avoid. Furthermore, ginger has a knack for dealing with kidney infections. It's like a superhero swooping in to combat the bad guys, the unwanted bacteria causing havoc in your kidneys. It's armed with antibacterial properties, ready to fight off these infections and restore order in your body. In essence, ginger is a versatile herb, a trusty sidekick for your kidneys. It cleanses, calms, and combats, ensuring your kidneys remain in top shape. So do consider including this fiery herb in your diet. Ginger, a spicy way to a healthier kidney. Last but not least, turmeric, the golden herb with a treasure of health benefits. On our journey of exploring herbs that promote kidney health, we've now arrived at turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice that's been a staple in Asian cooking for thousands of years. Turmeric's claim to fame in the health world is its active compound, curcumin. This is the secret ingredient that's responsible for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation and oxidative stress can lead to kidney damage over time, but curcumin steps in like a superhero, fighting off these damaging elements, thus supporting kidney health. But that's not all. Turmeric also plays a crucial role in preventing kidney diseases. Studies have shown that the regular use of turmeric can help prevent the formation of kidney stones and kidney infections. It's also been found to improve the overall function of the kidneys, helping them to filter blood more effectively and maintain a healthy balance of minerals and nutrients in the body. So, how can you incorporate turmeric into your diet for kidney health? It's simple. You can add turmeric powder to your meals or enjoy it as a warm, soothing tea. Just remember, pairing turmeric with a pinch of black pepper can enhance the absorption of curcumin. Turmeric, the golden key to unlock kidney health. So, there you have it, 5 powerful herbs to naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys. We've explored the benefits of parsley, known for its diuretic properties, stinging nettle, a potent anti-inflammatory, dandelion roots, which stimulate kidney function, ginger, a renowned antioxidant, and turmeric, a fantastic anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Each of these herbs offers unique benefits that can support your kidney health and overall well-being. However, it's important to note that while these natural remedies can be a fantastic part of your health regimen, they should never replace professional medical advice. If you have any concerns about your kidney health, always consult with a healthcare professional. Natural remedies can be a wonderful supplement to your health routine, but they're not a substitute for medical treatment. Remember, your kidneys are vital. Treat them well, naturally.